check out this like iridescent square jar I found at the Dollar Tree. I thought this would be really pretty. I thought that iridescence would really show off nicely with the solar light. So we're going to DIY this and make a cute little beach jar with this that lights up at night with the solar light. I'm going to use Fairy Garden. I was trying to decide what I wanted to use in this, and I decided on the sea turtle. It's nice and big, and really that's the only piece it needs in there because the jar itself's not real big. So I think that's going to be perfect in there. And so I'm just going to glue that to the bottom of the jar with just a little bit of hot glue. I wanted to make it look like a little bit of a beach scene. So we have our little sea turtle with coral. And then I'm just going to use some of that Dollar Tree like tan sand and sprinkle some in there to kind of cover the base of the jar, but not too high. And then for a little decor, I'm going to sprinkle in some of those little tiny seashells that come in the little glass bottles from the Dollar Tree. Just a variety kind of all over to make it look like a little beach scene in there. Like that. Now the opening to this jar is a little bit larger than the top of the solar light. So I'm going to show you what I did to make it where I can still use it by using some Dollar Tree rope. So the rope is going to serve two purposes. It's going to cover like the screw on part there on the glass for the lid to make that look more finished. And so I'm just going to keep going around the outside to cover that part first. And this is that same Dollar Tree rope. I think this is the thinner brown one. It doesn't really matter which one you use though. But then I'm going to start here at the top, just slightly gluing it to itself, going in a little bit each time to make it like a smaller diameter so that the light will now fit inside. So that's what we have at this point. And then I'm going to just kind of finagle that little solar light cap until it fits in there kind of by friction to hold it in place. Just kind of fixing the rope. I did get it a little tight, so I kind of pulled it apart a little bit there to get it all together. But I think that's good, and I can always change the top for this. This was my son's favorite, and so he got this for like a little nightlight for his room. I'm thinking you can recharge the solar panels on the top with regular light. So I think it might work for a nightlight. It looks really cute next to his bed. But this is how it looks like during the daylight, our little sea turtle in coral and our little sandy beach below. So it's super cute at the daytime. And this is what it looks like at night. It looks really cool all lit up because it's got like that iridescent kind of glow to it too, which I think kind of gives a fun like little under the sea vibe to our little sea turtle.